guys, what's up? Hope all of you are doing good, staying safe and taking care of your health. Today's video is going to be really fun, so do watch it till the end. But before I start with the video, I have got a question for you guys. Are you working on a bed, sofa, dining table or a bean bag? Well, I was doing the same till I realized it's neither good for my posture nor something I can fall my back on for a long duration of time. Well guys, this pandemic seems never ending, so it's better for us to have a workspace at home. So let's begin the video and see how I did it.
The first step to create a work from home setup in your house is to find an empty space, preferably well lit. I chose a corner of my bedroom where there used to be a plant. I wanted a minimalistic workspace for myself and didn't want to spend a lot of money on it, as it was going to be a temporary setup. First things first, I bought this table for 3500 rupees from Flipkart. It's a foldable table, so I can just fold it and keep it on a side once its job is done. It's quite sturdy and the material of the wood is quite strong. I think for the amount I paid, I got a really good deal. Once I decided on the table, the major task was done. The next step was to decorate it. I already had this quirky piece of calendar which I had bought from Amazon earlier this year. So that's my first and indispensable decorative item. The second one is this pop color picture frame that says "Life is a beautiful ride." It's from a brand called ArtX and I bought it from Amazon. I love how funky and vibrant it is. The third one is this lamp that I already had from before. It's from MI. The fourth one is this small artificial money plant to add a dash of greenery to my space. This is from a brand called P India and I bought it from Amazon. The fifth one is this banner that says failure is not an option. This was gifted to me by my sister Sonila and she bought it from the Kennedy Space Center. I have to say, this fuels my motivation every single day. Lastly, I decorated my workspace with these string lights which I had from before. So my quirky, funky, vibrant workspace is ready. I have to admit, I'm loving sitting and working here. Glad I decided to make the shift from sofa, bed, bean bags. I love to gaze at the lovely views from the window every now and then. And in the evenings, I love sipping a hot cup of coffee while working in this beautiful ambience. I shall be putting the links of all these items in my description box. So if you guys want, you can buy them and create a workspace for yourself in your home.